Look at you.
Okay, good morning.
Hello guys, good morning. We're here at the Surfside, Freeport, Texas.
Jetty Park. First catch. With what kind of fish is that?
It's a whiting again.
Oh, is that a whiting?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good job.
Okay.
Good job, Dada.
More,
Okay.
More coming.
More to come. Okay, we're back again after what, an hour. This
30
is our
minutes maybe.
this is our second catch. What kind of fish is that, Dad?
Again,
Put it closer.
Whiting?
What kind of fish is that?
It's a whiting.
Oh, it's a whiting again. Okay then.
Look at that whiting.
All right, fish some more. All right. Me, 0.
Oh, what kind of fish this? Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Sand trout? Mom, what kind of fish is this? Nothing, no?
Bangus.
Oh. What the heck?
That's bangus.
I don't know.
Nice looking fish.
I don't know.
I think that's bangus.
I think so. Hold it on, thank you. Oh shit, nakawala pa no. I need that thing. I need, okay, hang on, I got it. Put it
Oh,
down.
nakasabot sa iyo.
I got it. Sira na print mo.
Kinain niya.
Oo, kinain niya. Swallow it. Swallow the whole thing, man.
God damn.
Okay. Let go, okay? Don't let go.
Okay.
Alright, guys. There you go.
What kind of fish is that?
I don't know. That's weird.
Is it a whiting?
I don't know.
Full of blood.
Mom, this is a good one, dude. Fish on, guys. It's a good one. Mama, it's a good one, Mom. Kaya lumalaban eh.
Sa palaka.
Either lumalaban, no? Shit.
Wala pa nasabi.
Lumalaban, Mom. Shit. Ooh, that's a good one, man. That's a good size. It's a good size. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's huge, huh? Wow.
Ano yan?
It's a whiting, man. Look at that. That's a good size. Look at that, guys. Holy smoke. That's a big one, huh? Wow. Let me get it. I got it, man. Wow. Yeah, that's a
Dapat
good.
yung sa loob lang ha, sa ngawan.
That's a good size right here, guys. Oh shit. Okay, I got you.
Check.
Okay. Woo-hoo.
Give it a wait.
Okay, hold it. Just hold it for a minute. Hey guys, look what happened to us. Whew. Nice. I'm soaking wet, man. Oh, you're soaking wet. You okay, Mom?
Yeah, just get dry here.
Let's get dry here first. Holy smoke. What's happening, man? Hey, Mama, where are you going? This way. You go this way. Whew.
Waterproof.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yung mga telepono.
It's okay. Yeah, got one. Ladyfish. Yeah. You want it? I know.
Bake or bake? They're too soft.
That's why you just make the fish cake.
Fish cake. You want it?
You scratch the meat.
You want it? It's a ladyfish eating it, man. Next time, pag nakakuha ka isa, sayang natin pain eh. Damn, laki.
Meron ako dalawa doon.
Okay.
Tingnan mo kung gaano kalaki na ulo ko. Maliit.
Laki, mas maliit pa nga yan eh. Lapit yan, nandyan lang yung isdaan yan eh. I got a ladyfish, people. There you go, we're gonna use it for bait. So yun siya, sila.
Video mo yun. Ay, pumunta doon? Look,
Yeah, let me see it, let me go up with it. Ayan. Put it back. Yeah, that's a huge one, huh?
Ethan, come here. Get on the picture. There you go. Hold your tail, yeah.
Yeah, that's huge.
There you go, yeah.
Oh, damn. Big one. What size is it?
Like maybe like 39 inches.
39. Holy shit.
Maybe 4.
I'm not gonna measure it.
No,
No, mercy. Man, that's nice. Meron nga oh. Laban mo naman. Oh yeah. Maliit lang. There you go. We got one. Oh, okay.
It's not bad.
Yeah, that's a good size.
See that?
Not bad at all. See? Whiting.
Santo.
Huh? No? No?
Did you turn it on?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
We got one.
I told you.
I know.
Kanina ka pa hinihila eh.
I know. I want a big one though. The good size.
Paano ka makakahili ng big one?
I want a good size. Alaki po.
Anong oras na kayo nakauwi nun? Hindi kaya. Hindi ako pwede. No? May pasok ako the next day, remember? Ano ba yun? Saturday, right? O yeah, nag-fishing kami.
Iniwan ng friend namin yung sasakyan nila sa amin.
Oo.
Sabay naman kami na nag-drive papunta doon.
At sabay-sabay na kayo.
Oo, taga ano lang yun eh, yes na.
Oo.
Yun. Whiting.
Fighting.
See? Oh, that's a good one. That's a good size. That's a good whiting.
Ito ba mo maigil?
Hang on. Oh, look at that. See?
Baka matapos. Fighting na.
Ganun ang kuha mo kay nanay, puro white.
Maganda
White,
yung
oo.
nakuha kay nanay.
Oh, yung malaki. Yung nakuha mo malaki doon.
Mas malaki siya.
Mas malaki yun. See?
Nakakuha din ako ng malaki dito. Yung mga payong nila. Secure guy yung mga payong.
Damn, sinualo ah.
Oo, yung nandito rin kami yung kasama naman namin sila doon. Payong din namin.
Damn, that's a good one.
Ito mutik na. Do you need the pliers?
Yeah, I think so.
Don't sira-sira my hookies.
Come on.
Patay na bago na.
Patay yun eh.
Napapatong ka na.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes. Yeah.
Good size. Good size.
Parang may pain pa ako sa ilalim. Don't touch that. Di ba that? May laman pa yun, ano?
Yeah, meron pa.
Capture dito, hindi lang siguro.
Ako din eh.
Ako, hirap ito kayo na.
Wala.
Tapos ko lang, ubos na kagad.
Ubus na agad? Ano yan? Catfish yan. Ito catfish o ano, yung... Ubus din eh oh. Oy! Again? Oh! Damn!
I'm good.
I got one too. Oh, come on. Ooh, got one. See? See, you got one too.
Nice!
I know. That's a whiting is coming out. See?
Getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah, I know, right? Another whiting.
Tinulak siya ng umbrella.
Man, 3 whiting.
Got a light?
It's a good one.
Got the light?
Guys, this is the third one.
Night? Dada night. Dada kutsilyo.
You know.
Ano yung Red Bull mo dito ah?
Oh.
And another whiting. There you go.
Awesome.
Awesome. Another whiting. Another whiting, guys. Another whiting. Whiting is coming out. It's out there now. It's out there. Okay, it's out there. Let's see.
Sounds like a cobia, dude.
Dada to.
Oh, again.